If you're like me and you've been looking for a charging station for your PlayStation Portal, one that looks great in your room, and also one that's officially licensed, then look no further. I got exactly what you need. Sure, you can find all types of knockoff brands out there, but this one right here is officially licensed by PlayStation and it has a premium feel to it. Okay, so let's take a look inside. I've already unboxed mine and put it to use, but I'll still go over just so you know what to expect on the inside. And like a lot of these accessories, there's really not much to it, but I'm still going to show you anyways. First off, you got your instruction manual with pretty straightforward instructions. It says it comes with the dock, the cord, and the USB-C charging adapter. Can't get any more straightforward than that. And then if you take a look over here, you got the box where the cord comes in. And then right here, this little plastic bag is what the USB-C charging adapter came in. But like I said, I already put all these things together, so. And that's pretty much all there's to it, really. You just take the cord out of this box right here, plug it into the bottom of the charging dock, put the other end into an outlet plug, take the USB-C charging adapter, you plug that into the back where your USB-C would normally go to charge your PlayStation Portal, but instead now you have this USB-C charging adapter, so whenever you put it on the dock, the magnet makes a connection, starts charging instantly. It makes it much more seamless and a much easier process. And then just the dock itself, pretty sturdy and great quality. It also has a wireless magnetic connection, so you don't have to fumble around trying to get your PlayStation Portal on the dock and have to line it up just right. It just connects and charges. Now I've used cheap ones in the past, but this one right here feels much more premium and it looks great in your room with the official PlayStation logo on it. Not to mention it also has 3 RGB lighting cycles. The first is just cycle. It just cycles through all the colors one by one. The second is a wave function where it kind of just flows with different colors from left to right. And the third one is pulse, which is kind of like cycle except for it has, instead of just cycling through the colors, it just pulsates with the colors. My personal favorite though is wave. I just like the subtle flow of colors. Also, if you held on this piece in the back, which you can barely really see, honestly, even with the camera and like looking up closely, I can still barely see it, but I know that it's there. If you hold down on this function right here, you can increase or dim the amount of light that each cycle has. So if you're in a dark room and it's too bright, you can tone it down. Or if you want to see that nice function in the daytime, you can turn it up. I've done a video in the past about cheap PlayStation Portal accessories, and they all serve their purpose. But when it comes to comparing the 2 charging docks, this one from the original cheap video and this one right here, I think it's a no-brainer. I would definitely go and get this one. But if you're short on cash, the other one serves its purpose too. But this one right here is officially licensed, looks better, works better, and you don't have to fumble with trying to get it connected like I did with the other one. It's cheap for a reason. So I would definitely recommend this one over that one, because the other one didn't have a wireless connection piece that you could put into it. And when you're trying to plug it up, you can't really see behind it. But this one, you don't even have to see. As soon as you get near it, the magnet makes a connection and it's already charging, ready to go. And just holding it, this one feels much heavier than the other one did. The other one felt kind of light and cheap and definitely felt more hollow inside. This one definitely feels like it's built to last, and I expect nothing less coming from officially licensed PlayStation product. So let me know down in the comments, do you have a PlayStation Portal charging station? And if so, which one? And are you looking to upgrade? Because if you're looking to upgrade, I definitely recommend this one, hands down. It'll be the best charging station that you can buy. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful at all, please drop a like, comment, share with a friend, and maybe even consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.